weather. Thomas is going to tell us all about it. Hello, Thomas.
You said it. I can tell you now we're getting more certain now that this cold snap is coming our way. Now today the cold air is still across Scandinavia and the very far northeast of Europe, but what's going to happen over the next couple of days or so, this cold air mass is going to slide towards the UK and it's going to bring the threat of snow showers all the way from eastern parts of Scotland, eastern England and into East Anglia as well. Now initially the snow flurries will be light, perhaps going further inland as well, but beyond the weekend, so early part of next week, we're looking at a potential for widespread heavy snow anywhere in the UK. But not today. No real wintry stuff to talk about this afternoon. If you're stepping outside across the southeast this afternoon, you'll encounter sunny spells, but that cold easterly wind is starting to make its presence felt. Now, across the west of the UK, we've got a completely different weather story here. No sunshine to talk about. In fact, cloudy, outbreaks of rain. It's been like this the whole morning. It'll stay like this all through the afternoon. So places like Pembrokeshire, through the Llŷn Peninsula, into the Irish Sea, outbreaks of rain. And the same goes for Northern Ireland. In fact, the rain here will be very persistent over the next 24 hours. There could be some standing water, even a bit of flooding in one or two places. Now for Scotland, the rain will be coming and going through the course of the afternoon, the heaviest of which further westwards. Now what's going to happen through the evening hours is that the rain across the west of the country will have a tendency to gradually creep a little bit further westwards. That means that the drier, clearer, colder air will be flooding into the UK. So that means that we dawn Saturday on a crisp, clear note across the east of the UK and central parts as well. In fact, for some of us, an absolute cracking day with sparkling sunshine, but cold. The wind's coming out of the continent, the temperature's dropping 4 degrees. Cold air hasn't, at this stage at least, quite reached the very far west of the UK. We've still got that nagging rain bat. Now, the early hours of Sunday morning, we'll start to see that cold air well and truly coming in. The blue arrows indicating that cold air, and also snow flurries starting to affect areas from eastern Scotland down the eastern coast into East Anglia as well. Now 2 on the thermometer, that's what your garden thermometer will read. If you add the strength of that wind out of the east, it will feel more like -3 degrees or so, even -6 close to the coastline. That's on the flesh exposed to the cold wind. Here's the outlook then for Monday and Tuesday, that potential for increasing amounts of snow almost anywhere in the UK. This is the outlook for the eastern half of the UK. Could be quite a bit of snow here. We're really watching this space. Out west, still a potential for some snow, even as far as southwest as Plymouth, but it looks as though the snow, well, we think shouldn't be too disruptive, at least further westwards. So the best advice at the moment is keep in tune with the weather forecast over the weekend. Back to you.
Yes, what a weekend ahead. Thank you very much, Thomas. At 1:30, a reminder of our